Back, guys, another video here. It's my big brother's 1978 Chevy. He's working on it. He got it when he was 14. It's still here. My grandma's Toyota. And he got that truck, which is I don't know what year that is. And that's his car right now. When he gets that truck fixed, he's gonna start using, instead of that, start using his truck to go to work. See where he works at a job, and he's working on a GMC truck. It's a 1980 something, I don't know, but yeah, pretty strong. Mom, your phone's ringing.
Thank God, that's a good starting thing.
Mama,
Yeah.
thank you, Jesus. If we wouldn't have had this wall protecting the TV would have been gone right now.
Yes, it would.
And then you'll be crying like a little baby because you can't find the PS4 on there.
I'll be like, and then you'll probably be crying like little crybaby.
My crybaby.
That closet is full of this.
That's my fat mother. Fat mother. By the way, guys, he's a rage quitter. My brother rages on Fortnite.
Rage quitter.
My brother rages on Fortnite, guys. Bye.
Actually,
In this video,
no one's vlogging right now.
no.
I'm gonna camera right now.
And sorry if I haven't been on a long time, because I forgot I had a YouTube channel, but I'm back on. I'm sorry.
Keeping these,
Too late now to say sorry. Well, see y'all in the next video. Bye.